Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. My name is Jennifer and I will be your teacher today. So in today's lesson we are going to do a quiz on capitalization. If you want to improve your English writing skills, it's very important to learn when to use uppercase letters and when to use lowercase letters. So we will have 15 questions and you have to capitalize each page correctly. So let's get started. Number 1. Taylor has lived in Pakistan, China, and Japan. So in the first question, we have to capitalize the names of countries. So we have to capitalize Pakistan, China, and Japan. Number 2. I think that Roger, Katie, Jack, and Bennett are coming to my birthday party next week. Okay, so in this question, we have to capitalize Roger, Katie, Jack, and Bennett because these are all names of people. Number 3. My favorite holidays are Halloween and Christmas. In this question, we have to capitalize Halloween and Christmas because these are proper nouns. They are holidays, and we always capitalize the names of holidays. However, we do not capitalize the word holidays because that is a common noun. Number 4. The teacher said, we are having an English test on Friday. Okay, here we have to capitalize we. This is a complete sentence within these quotations. We are having an English test on Friday. So we have to capitalize the word we. We also have to capitalize English and we capitalize days of the week. So we have to capitalize Friday. Number 5. No, I am not staying at a hotel in Toronto. I'm going to stay at Grandma's house. In this question, we have to capitalize I. We always capitalize the pronoun I. We also have to capitalize Toronto because it's the name of a city. And we have to capitalize Grandma in this example because we are referring to Grandma directly. If we said my grandma or my mother, we would not capitalize it. Number 6. My best friend is French, but I am Canadian. Here we have to capitalize French and Canadian because we capitalize nationalities. Number 7. Do you have any plans on Saturday? I want to go to a winter festival. Here we have to capitalize Saturday because we capitalize days of the week. We do not capitalize winter because we don't capitalize seasons. Number 8. It usually rains a lot in spring and autumn. However, my favorite month is April. In this example, we have to capitalize April because it's a month and we capitalize months. Again, we don't capitalize spring or autumn because we don't capitalize seasons. Number 9. My father is the best man on earth. In this example, we only have to capitalize Earth. Earth is the name of the planet, and so we have to capitalize it because we're referring to the planet Earth. Number 10. She just graduated from Queen's University. In this example, we have to capitalize Queen's and University because that's the name of the university, Queen's University. We would not capitalize university if the example was general, like I am going to a university this year. But because we are referring to the name of a university, we capitalize it. Number 11. My last doctor said I need to stop eating sugar, but Dr. Smith said I can have a bit of dark chocolate. In this example, we capitalize Dr. and Smith. We are referring to a specific doctor, Dr. Smith, whereas we don't capitalize doctor here because we are not directly referring to the doctor's name. Number 12. Do you watch Stranger Things? It's one of my favorite shows. Here we have to capitalize Stranger Things because it's the name of a show, and we capitalize titles. 13. She broke up with her boyfriend in January, so she didn't celebrate Valentine's Day. In this example, we have to capitalize January because it's a month, and we always capitalize months. And we also have to capitalize Valentine's Day because it's the name of a holiday. 14. When I go to France, I want to see the Eiffel Tower. Here we have to capitalize I, France, and Eiffel Tower. We always capitalize the pronoun I. We have to capitalize the names of countries. And we have to capitalize Eiffel Tower because tower, for example, alone would be a common noun, but the Eiffel Tower is the name. It's a specific tower, so we capitalize it. It's a proper noun. And finally, question 15. Joe asked, when are you coming to Canada? Here we have to capitalize Joe. We also capitalize when because it's the beginning of this quotation. And we also have to capitalize Canada because it's the name of a country. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 15. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you want to learn more about capitalization rules, I have linked you in the description below to my video on how to capitalize correctly. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next lesson.